We simplified document signing process by using electronic signatures and digital certificates in a very simple paperless process. It all starts with creating a Word document and converting this file using standard functionality of Microsoft Word into PDF format. We're going to be using this non-disclosure agreement as the sample. Clicking on File, Save As, selecting the PDF format, and saving the file. Once the document is converted, we need to identify the positions on the document where the signatures are expected. This can be done using a free version of Adobe Reader. We would click on the signing panel and set the check marks in the positions where we expect the signatures. Let's assume that this file requires 3 signatures, 2 by Sergei Gornostayev and 1 by the owner of the document. We can change the property of the check marks to simplify identification of the signatory. This is done by setting the author in the General tab of the checkmark properties window. That's it, we are ready to upload the file to the portal. Log on to the portal. Click Upload link and select the local file to be uploaded. The portal automatically creates signatories from the check marks on the document. In order for us to simplify searching for this document in future, I will now rename the file to have more meaningful title. I now need to update the email address of the intended recipient. So the document is ready. I now need to notify intended signatories on the fact that the document is ready for signing. I will do so by clicking the mail icon and use default setting for the notification. The signatory will receive the link for the document signing. The link is received into the inbox. The link is complicated and can't be easily created manually. So we click on the link, and I can now see that I need to place 2 signatures on the same document. This was the requirement from the document owner. I can review the document by clicking on the View button, and I can now sign it. When signing a document using electronic signature, I have 2 options. I can sign using mouse or the screen of the mobile device, or I can upload an image of my signature in JPEG or PNG formats. Those signature files are used once and destroyed immediately after signature is applied. I will use the pad to place the first signature and the image for the second one. I can now sign the second portion of the document. When the signature is applied, we extract the following information regarding the transaction: date and time, server-based, IP address of the machine where the document is being signed, email address of the person in machine type format, and the GPS location if not blocked by the user. The document is now signed and notification is sent back to the document originator via email. We also take care of document attempted to be signed at the same time by multiple people. We are using intelligent locking mechanism to ensure the document is signed by one person at a time. So the document is now signed by all intended signatories, and the final step is for the document owner to place his signature and protect the document from further modifications by using digital certificate. We can now check the status of the document. We received 2 signatures from the users. We're going to sign this file as administrator. The file is signed, and I will now protect the file using the digital signature. In this case, the document is signed by using the certificate, the site certificate. However, that certificate can be overridden by the personal certificate. The document is now signed and secured. I can download the copy of this file. And you will notice the certificate stamp in the signature panel. Any further modifications to the file will break the certificate and will notify the user that the document has been altered since the certificate was placed. Within the portal, I also have a full trace of the signature events, and I can review all the versions of the file. There was a signature 1. There was a signature 1 and 2. And this is the final version of the document. The document is now ready for archival. But I can always recall the document by simply entering the indexing criteria or the title of the document. Recall and review the file. So this is as simple as this. You can now try it yourself by registering using your email address and password and try the process from beginning to the end on www.SignDocument.live. Thank you.